Welcome to this video about Program Management Overview. After watching this video, you will be able to define program management and the role of the program manager, summarize key program management principles critical to success. Program management is the structured and coordinated effort to achieve benefits and control not available from managing projects individually. According to the PMI standard for program management, 5th edition program management is the coordinated management of multiple related projects, and in some cases, ongoing operations that are aligned to achieve strategic objectives. Program managers oversee and manage the program. Let's understand the role of a program manager a bit more. The program manager's role is critical to the functioning of any large organization. They are responsible for aligning a program with the organization's strategic goals, ensuring the coordination and integration of projects, managing resources, stakeholders, risks, and delivering the intended benefits and value of the program. The program manager must understand and leverage 8 key principles of program management to ensure success. The principles of program management are fundamental norms and truths that provide guidance for the behavior and performance of the program manager and all stakeholders involved in the program. The Standard for Program Management, 5th edition, provides 8 key principles that serve as foundational guidelines for strategy, decision-making, and problem-solving. These principles provide overarching guidance for all program management activities that are performed. Let's review each key principle. The program manager must engage stakeholders proactively to ensure that stakeholder expectations, program benefits, and organizational strategy are all in harmony. Stakeholders can be defined as anyone affected by or who can affect a program. Effective stakeholder management can be the difference between a program's success or failure. The program manager must identify, analyze, engage, and manage stakeholders from program beginning to end. A program must generate value for the organization by aligning program outcomes with organizational strategy. In addition, a program must provide benefits and value to all internal and external stakeholders. Realizing and sustaining benefits is the primary purpose of a program and the program manager's most critical area of focus. The program manager must coordinate and unite the efforts of all stakeholders to achieve the overall goals of a program. A program consists of multiple individual component parts that must all be integrated to achieve success. Failure of any single component can result in the failure of the program as a whole. The team of teams principle characterizes an integrated team structure that creates a network of relationships across all products and processes. The program manager must identify, create, and manage all team components to ensure all stakeholders are effectively focusing on achieving the expected benefits of the program. Effective facilitation, collaboration, and communication skills are imperative. The program manager must develop an effective change process and ensure all stakeholders comply. Effective change management can improve the effectiveness of benefits realization, delivery, and sustainment during the overall program lifecycle. Uncontrolled change leads to scope creep and potential failure to achieve expected value and benefits. A program manager must also serve as a program leader. They must inspire, unite, and lead the program team to align to the program vision. They must ensure the entire team is committed to deliver the program's desired benefits, value, and outcomes. Risk is defined as any potential event that can impact a program negatively or positively. You can manage risk, or risk will manage you. The program manager must lead the way to proactively identify, evaluate, and develop responses to program risks throughout the program lifecycle to ensure that expected benefits are realized. Program governance comprises the framework, functions, processes, and tools by which a program is monitored, managed, and supported. The program manager must identify and ensure all critical governance requirements are considered and met. The role of the program manager is critical. In this video, we defined program management and described the role of the program manager. In addition, we summarized 8 key program management principles that serve as a foundation for all activities performed by a program manager and team.